But like I said, this shit ain't for that.
Okay, baby, you can have a good best friend, I guess.
What you mean, you guess? You got other nigga best friend.
It's boy best friend, not niggas.
Niggas. They niggas. They men. They boys. They niggas. They niggas. Okay, then. Niggas. Like I said, you got...
Boy, I don't know who the hell. First of all, you ain't talking to me like that. Second of all, you finna get slapped. Third of all, you play with me a little too much.
No more D. No more D. No more D. Like I thought. Don't talk to me like that. I'm he crazy, boo-boo. Don't get crazy. Don't get quiet now. Tote, fool, tote.
Hey, shut up.
Alright, bet.
I'm saying.
No, you can't be playing about everything now.
No, bro, that's how we just playing.
I'm just telling you that you got
hey, I know.
Don't you A me?
Boy, I'm finna tell you with the damn hot dog.
I don't like hot dogs. They too hot and dogs. I don't like them. No, they too much salt. You feel me? I'm gonna get what's some thing? Type 2. I'm gonna get type 2.
That's a word.
Stop saying A to me, man.
You feel me? Hey.
Stop saying.
That's my nowhere.
And eat the damn hot dog before I stuff my hot dog in your mouth. How about that? She talking so, It's nasty.
Huh?
It's nasty.
Why you say nasty like that?
It's nasty. I was going to record your ass too.
Huh?
I was going to record your ass too.
Oh my God! You! Don't post that! Don't post that!
Huh?
Do not post that.
I will post it. Because it's funny. I'm going to edit it out. I'm gonna edit it out, okay? Okay?
Oh my God.
I'm going to edit it out.
Okay, Dad.
Okay. My birthday next week. My birthday Thursday. I'm finna get turned. That made no fucking sense. It's almost my birthday. I'm finna be lit. It's finna be bussin'. I'm going skating. And bust my shit. My best friend.
Thank you.
That's lame, man. Thank you. I'm be like, she said, don't fucking talk to me.
No, we better. Thank you. I was happy.
Look, but I care with the smoking weed. No, he ain't smoking weed yet. I had to find a blunt thingy. You feel me? Oh, here we go. Grandma, you know damn well you can't cook no damn ground beef. Sit down somewhere. But like when you mess with your grandma. And then we be ignoring her. And she be like, stop fucking ignoring me. That's what my brother do downstairs.
That's what you doing to her?
Yeah, he do that too right now. Oh, shit, that'd be funny as hell.
Why the fuck my titties hurting?
Huh?
My fucking titties hurting. Damn,
What your titties hurting for, boo-boo? Cause what? Huh?
Nothing.
You know what? I'ma like hit that hit.
Bro, your grandma funny, bro. I heard that. Almost took to my pop.
Bro. Oh, she said that nigga ain't got no medicine.
Okay, what?
She said that nigga ain't got a medicine. Oh my god, my cheeks hurt.
Hmm?
My cheeks hurt. Whew.
My cheeks hurt. Bro.
You getting cancer.
Huh?
You getting cancer.
Oh, no.
That's cancer sign, I think. Why yo? Oh no, they growing. That's why. Duh, I knew that. You feel me? See, I'm not. See, I knew something was wrong with you. This shorty got a damn dick and shit. She gonna end up fucking me in my booty hole.
Baby, they came out of nowhere.
Tell me some damn came out of nowhere. Talking about my dick, my dick. Where the hell that came out of nowhere?
It's a song.
You got a dick, man? I'm gonna look that shit up. Talking about a damn song. My dick, my dick. My dick, my dick. That ain't no fucking song.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. But never mind.
Exactly.
Girl, I'm tired of your little trying to put your dang 2 cents in. Psych.
Damn.
Okay. See, I told you about the white people kissing, bro. I hate that shit. You gotta be like, I want a hot dog. I'm lying. I don't want no fucking hot dog.
Yo, bro, stop doing it. We ain't no damn dog. Stop.
That's not me.
But you heard me?
Huh?
I said, I'm looking for the hot dog.
What?
Keep
your tongue.
Keep up.
Keep your tongue in your mouth.
Huh?
Keep your tongue in your mouth. Boy, you don't sound like that lame man music. This dude playing this dang speakers on dum 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 dum. Nigga, like damn, I be thinking that's my uncle because my uncle be playing that loud music too. Shit. My tongue is like a swirly swirler.
Huh?
Say my tongue is like a swirly swirler.
A what?
A swirly swirler.
A swirly swirl.
Swirly swirler.
Well.
Hmm?
Okay. I want to find out.
You ain't say that. You did lie. You said, oh. You ain't not say no, I want to find out.
Yeah, I did not said I want to find out.
Don't start playing that fucking shit in my fucking ear, because my ear is fucking sensitive as hell when you already know.
Shut up.
Girl, you know what? I'm going to just get I'm gonna start taking karate karate classes and start.
Karate class. You ain't even speak right.
Huh?
Can't even speak without some karate class.
And yo, it's okay if you speak to my some karate dash.
Let me do the karate dash.
That was lame as hell. I'm sorry.
Jumping up the back street. Okay, check me.
Zoom!
Yeah.
Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just pepper. This bitch keep fucking interrupting me, bro. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just pop a Zan $50 is that pain.
With your man?
I ain't got no man, so don't do that, boo boo.
Yeah, I'm your man.
Ugh.
Not like that.
Oh, I knew that.
Damn, huh?
I knew that.
No, you didn't.
I ain't gonna tell you what I knew, what I didn't. Oh shit.
Where's that?
I gotta pee.
Huh?
I gotta pee.
Uh-huh.
Don't even give a fuck. Mm-mm.
Huh? You heard me?
My best friend called me skinny.
Huh?
My best friend called me skinny. See this the shit that I hate. You just lying. You ain't gonna give no fucking body. Stop fucking lying.
What's that? It's not on the show.
Ooh. I'm in the cut.
No, tell her you think boo.
She said you think I'm thick, boo boo. But I thought that was a fucking dick. I thought that was a dick.
I told you Mama's not up here. Oh.
I would've. You know what?
Ma, ain't nothing to do. You took what's that? I got your name with her love.
Stop getting smart with your mama. I'm not gonna keep telling you.
I'm not getting smart with her. I told her nothing to do. Baby, how would I get smart?
Look, y'all, when one of these days, you gonna hear a big old, wait, let me do it right. And I'm be like, I told you so, because she keep getting smart with her mama, and her mama just like a dang old pit bull, don't know when she come. She like a dang hyena. See, I already told her I'm scared of her mama. But nah, she wanna keep getting smart. I tell you, one of these days, you gonna hear a big old, and I'm be like,
I told this bitch.
Exactly. She don't want to listen to me. Next thing you know, she'll be like,
I am listening.
you ain't listening because you got to keep getting butt with the mama.
It didn't make no damn sense.
What the fuck? Like, seriously, I'm telling you. One of these days, stop doing that shit. Stop fucking teasing your mama, first of all.
Huh?
Stop teasing your mama, first of all.
What?
Stop fucking teasing your mama. I'm not gonna keep telling you again. I got problems, bro. I got problems. I fucking sounded like Patrick.
Oh my god, I was choked.
It's 4:51 if you want to get technical.
We can get technical too.
What's she doing?
She was doing this dumb stuff like, fix this, fix that. Give me a damn it.
Ooh. Oh, I got a cramp in my leg. My cramp in my leg. You see?
What? That's like that.
You see
That's
the
what
way?
they died. You be.
But you heard what he said. Ooh, my camera finna cut off in 3, 2, 1.